Aw. What? Let's go look around. Come on. Over here. Come on.
Julie, come over here, Julie. Ready? You don't have to run. You can walk. You can walk.
Lots of kids here, huh?
Yes, Mom. Mommy. Next time when you bring me to a park.
Don't you like the ducks?
Yeah, but I kind of like the park better.
Down here, Alyssa. I don't want you over there. What are they saying?
Nice idea. They don't want us to transport them.
What was that? In the water.
I have no idea, but it looks scary to me.
Maybe it's a shark.
Mommy, Mommy.
What's that over there in the water? Look.
That's a duck. If there was a shark in the water, the shark would attack the duck. Mommy, come here. Let's do it again. Come here. Look down.
There's something there, Bunny.
Can you see it?